Hi, we're here in Northeast Burlington at Alton Village Community, one of my favorite neighborhoods in all of Burlington. We have 3 great new schools in the area, 3 of the newest schools. Amazing technology, so if you have young kids, this is a great neighborhood for you. Lots of local parks, community center. We're a few minutes to 3 different grocery stores. We have easy access to the 407, QEW, and we're about 10 minutes to the GO train, so if you work downtown, no problem. We've got a beautiful 3-bedroom, 3-bath, semi-detached, all brick. You're absolutely gonna love it. Welcome to 4277 Murvel Ave.